Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter number 16, making of laws in the state assembly. Okay, right. Page number 147. Today we don't have any kings or various ruling others, right? ఈ రోజుల్లో మనకి రాజులు కానీ రూలర్స్ కానీ ఎవరు లేరు ఇక్కడ. We became independent of the British rule more than 60 years ago. భారతదేశ స్వతంత్రం వచ్చేసి దాదాపు 60 సంవత్సరాల పైన అయిపోయింది. సో హౌ డు వి రూల్ అవర్ సెల్స్ నౌ ఇయర్? ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎలా పరిపాలించుకుంటున్నాం. సో యూ నో దట్ దర్ ఆర్ ఎంపీస్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఎమ్మెల్యేస్ ఆర్ దేర్, మినిస్టర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ అండ్ అయ్యర్ ఆఫీసర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇయర్. ఆర్ దే లైక్ కింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ 14 టైమ్స్? అదేవిధంగా రాజులాగా పరిపాలిస్తున్నారు అని కెన్ దే డూ వాట్ దే ప్లీజ్? నో, మోడర్న్ గవర్నమెంట్స్ ఆర్ రన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. ఆ టైం లేదంటే మోడర్న్ లాస్ట్ ప్రకారం రన్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడు అలా లేదు. నో వన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద లా అండ్ ఆల్ మినిస్టర్స్ ఆఫీసర్స్ హ్యావ్ టు ఫంక్షన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే లా ప్రకారం మనం పనిచేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో బట్ హూ మేక్స్ ద లాస్ట్ ఇయర్? హౌ ఆర్ ద లాస్ట్ మేడ్? అని ఎవరు లాస్ట్ తయారు చేసాం? మరి లాస్ట్ ఎలా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం మనము? లా అంటే రూల్స్. ఆర్ దే మేడ్ యాజ్ ద విమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రూలర్స్ ఇయర్? అంటే రూలర్స్ నుంచి వచ్చాయా? అప్పుడు రూల్ చేసిన బట్టి చూసి మనం రాసాము లాస్ట్ని. నో, ద లాస్ట్ ఆర్ మేడ్ బై ద లెజిస్లేటివ్ అసెంబ్లీస్ అండ్ పార్లమెంట్ ఇయర్. లాస్ట్ అంటే assemblies and parliament year. So Constitution of India lays down how these bodies can make laws here. అంటే రాజ్యసభ మనకి, లోక్సభ ఉంది, అదే అసెంబ్లీ ఉందండి. ఈ వీటిని చూసుకున్న ఏ విధంగా మనం ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము. దే మేక్ ఏ లాస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సమ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్. అండ్ చాప్టర్ వి విల్ రీడ్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇయర్. మనం ఇప్పుడు డీటెయిల్గా తెలుసుకుంటున్నాము. పార్లమెంట్ గురించి తెలుసుకుంటున్నాము, లెజిస్లేటివ్ అసెంబ్లీ గురించి తెలుసుకుంటున్నాము. Here is a news item here and let us try to understand what is being said. It is about Andhra Pradesh Prohibition of Smoking and Health Protection Act 2002. అదేవిధంగా ఆ రోజు మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో స్టాండ్ యాక్ట్ వాజ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ ఇయర్. వాట్ ఇస్ యాక్ట్ మీన్స్? ప్రొహిబిషన్ ఆఫ్ స్మోకింగ్. స్మోకింగ్ అనేది చాలా డేంజరస్ కాబట్టి అది ప్రాబిలిటీ చేశారు 2002లో. సో కమింగ్ టు పాయింట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్, గవర్నర్ అండ్ ఆర్ 1 or 2 other houses are there at Rajasthan Lok Sabha. So legislators of the state are either by consistent of 2 houses here. And coming to the lower house is always known as a legislative assembly, and upper house is this as a legislative council here. So there are 2 houses are there here. One is lower house, one is upper house here. So lower house comes to as a legislative assembly and upper house comes under as a legislative council here. So we are going learning about now legislative assembly. This is the most important body for making laws in state here. So because what we are doing, whether we are doing justice people or not, all this comes under the legislative assembly, where they will discuss in the assembly, which is responsible for the implementing these laws and formulating policies and for the welfare of the state here, largely composed of members of the assembly here. అంటే వాళ్ళు స్టేట్ కి గవర్నమెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు లేదా అనేది దాని గురించి బాగా డిస్కస్ చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ అసెంబ్లీలో. Our state assembly has 199 MLA seats are there who are elected by the people. Just panchayat members are elected here. అంటే మనం ఏంటంటే ఓట్ వేసి గెలుచుకున్న వ్యక్తులు వీళ్ళందరూ 190 members. The normal tenure of the assembly was every state 5 years, but it may be dissolved earlier. Government dissolved earlier by governor. Likewise, the terms can be extended to 1 year at the time the parliament during a national emergency year. Okay, now every 5 years నడుస్తుందండి. In case at the time chief minister something has come over, governor is going to rule the completely state. State legislature must meet at least twice a year, and in the interval and between any 2 sessions should not be more than 6 months a year. Interval ఉంటుందంటే పార్లమెంట్ ఎప్పుడంటే every 2 years కి every 1 year 2 times పార్లమెంట్ జరుగుతుంది. So every 6 months first parliament, next 6 months second parliament జరుగుతుంది. So constitutional assembly we are going to learn about it. Each of these 192 members elected from constituency. Our constitutional members are there, 190 members are there here. There are 180 constitutions in the state of Telangana. Number of constitutions in the state will depend upon population only. అంటే పాపులేషన్ బట్టి మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే సీట్స్ నెంబర్ కేటాయిస్తారు. ఏ కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ in Telangana has about 170 members voters are in Telangana. So you may remember that all men and women of age above the age right of the vote here. So who got above 18 years, they have got right to vote. So coming to the point, they have to get their names registered as voters in the area where they live here. So if they have registered in Telangana, you have to vote in Telangana. If you register in Maharashtra, you have to go to vote, and in your concerned area, you have to vote the certain person. All voters of one constituency will vote to elect one member of the assembly. Yes, you have to elect one member only. If 12 members stood in one place, you can vote either which person do you like, so you vote it. If the majority who got the person is elected as a MLA, each constituency compromises of the numbers of villages, towns and cities. A big cities like Hyderabad is divided into 13 constituencies are there here. So coming to Hyderabad, 13 constituencies are there. Look at the map and the Telangana, you can see that the districts which have larger population have more constituencies, while those with less population fewer constituencies here. Coming to Hyderabad, only 13 members constitutions are there because then Hyderabad contains more number of population. Coming to election of MLA, usually election of the election to the state legislative assembly are held once in every 5 years here. Definitely, after right, every 5 years ki okkar manaki elections unnadi. Persons aspiring to become MLA contest to these elections here. So those who are interested that they can participate in elections. Where various political parties have filled their candidates, there are also individuals who contest the elections. Don't belong to any political party. They are known as independent parties here. So if the party don't have independent person stand and fight for the elections. To contest elections, a person must be a citizen in India and should have completed 25 years of age. If he has got 25 years age, then he can participate in the elections. He or she should not hold any office or profit under the state or central government and should possess such other qualification may be prescribed also. Understand? State government or central government and should not get any funds from government. In elections, political parties play a major role here. Elections, political parties are major role players and all political parties and candidates come out with the elections manifestos here. And you know, India manifestos come out. And these manifestos are a description of programs that they intend to undertake or promises that are relevant to the local contest here. And even they promise no promise money, but the candidates and the supports conducting campaigns like voting meetings and visiting the voters door to door here. And they prachar door to door prachar. So on the elections day, I understand people who vote one by 1 year. The officers in the both is the response for checking the identity of voters here. In most cases, the election commission has given a voter identity cards to all the voters here. And the practically voter voter account to the votes understand. Voter account voter card they can go and cash the votes here. So identity cards to all the voters here. These cards have to be shown to the officer here. The voters don't reveal whom they voted for here. Once you vote the cash, because I vote is not it is a secret ballot paper. This is a secret ballot paper here. So after voting, all the votes counted as scheduled dates and the candidates who secures the highest number of votes is declared here. So if you who's got more votes, for example, is given here one constituency 150 votes are there here. In 150 constituency committee, Ellamma got 40,000 and Raghav got 40,000, Narasimha got 16,000 and Muhammad got 20,000 and Badaya got 50,000, Pooja got 10,000 here. So here Ellamma got 44,000 votes, so she is elected as MLA for the constituency. Formation of government here, how government is going to form now. We have read about there are total 180 constitutions are there in Telangana. Now that happens for after elections only. So we see that the political party great is not a winning person's candidates here. So Telangana got 70% majority of votes. So Telangana formed a government in Telangana. So majority in any assembly is more than half of the seats. If any law has to be made, they can easily get this passed here. More than half of the members will be supported here, right? In total 118 seats, Telangana got TRS party got 70 seats. So TRS government formed in Telangana. Majority members will elect one member among themselves other year. So who got majority here? In Telangana they will elect as one person as a chief minister. He or she will be made by chief minister of the state and governor. Chief minister will be selected MLS from the party to ministers, right? Governor also selected by the MLS here. So in the popular terms here, cabinet is also called government here. So what is government? Cabinet is nothing but government is responsible for implementation of the laws. So which were made a promise before elections for preparing and passing and new laws and welfare schemes in the assembly. Whatever the policies and schemes you are in manifesto we told before elections, you are going to do the welfare development of people in Telangana state. Remaining part we see next coming class.